Welcome to Digital Academy. Here I'm discuss one of the topic is called how to do SEO of a particular website. So here a lot of people are worried about that. So SEO we can working from the static website, any website, number of things. So each content will be posting for our website. So in this, I'm taking as a dynamic website. I'm taking as a dynamic website. So any dynamic website, first of all, they're creating for different options are there. Different options are there. So in this one, how we can add your content and all will be discussing this option. So in here, so how we can add in these options. So here, first of all, any content you're selecting from the YouTube or anything, first of all, the most important is called any content you're posting something. So I'm selecting this video. Just I'll selecting this video and pause this video. This video mainly open here in a Krisheti birthday party visual. Here they will be called. I will writing for my own option. So here we can go to the post option. Selecting for add new post. So I'm searching for Google. So people searching for different options, party visuals, everything will be. So in this, I can writing for in this title will be here. I can't writing will be here. So here we'll be writing for Kirti Shetty is there. So I'm writing for simple, short and sweet title. Don't higher title I'm not using. Just I'm using for short and sweet title. So what is the first of all title? So title nothing but if anybody you are coming to your website, the people reading purpose, this is the title. And second thing is called they're creating for perfect URL structure. So what is the option will be given? That is the created by the URL structure option. But short and sweet is very important. Short and sweet will be very important. There is nothing but Google understanding is more important from SEO friendly URL structure. SEO friendly URL structure. So that is the first option is called title option. Title nothing but you express the content on your website. After this one, your posting language English. Select a category will be just news. Is not a movie news, just about news about the here. After that, here link will be copied. Sometimes there will be extra link also visible. After youtube.com/watch V is equal, you can selecting up to 11 characters. Don't exceed more than 11 characters. V is equal after 11. Here will be the special character, any option will be there. So after this one, add your URL. After this, same. I'm writing little bit add option. Address here. Here I'm description writing Tollywood actress visual. In this description, who are there, we can writing here. Same we can using for keyword. And here we can writing for latest updated news. Same we copy paste, adding with the keywords. Here image important. Same image we can use, or else we can using for other image. So image download purpose, YouTube image as the download purpose. We have one web series there. I'll show you here. This is the one of the website. Download YouTube thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail Grambar.com. Simple, copy the URL. You can paste. The show will be different images. Which image you want, just click for download. After download, picture will be done. So after this one, what are the content will be here? In this, what are the title you are using? Same will be using for alt tag, nothing but your image tag. Here, there's nothing but alt tag important. What are the title mentioned in a dynamic website? That is a compulsory, we have to use H1 tag is compulsory. So how do we can check? After posting, I'll show you. An image upload time. What are the title you mentioned? Same title will mention for the image alt tag. That is mean by alt tag. SEO title, description, keyword. You can writing for a lot of options. Open movie heroine, or we can writing for different title keywords also. In description, we can writing will be keyword method or description method. Anything will be possible. After this one, we have to click for submit. Here, sir, I'm uploading for post option. Na? So that video we can upload. So post and video, a lot of difference. So that is called every time we can posting will be more. So same image we can upload for different image. So same we can use. When you come into this one, when you click images, they are showing for a lot of images will be here. So that image will be using for a particular. So latest videos, some image will be not showing on Google. So that is the reason I can download that original YouTube thumbnail. After this one, they go to news option. The video will be posted here and open it. These are the options. First of all, any checking for the SEO title description properly done. Just checking the source code purpose, click for Control U. This is the checking source code. Here we can check what are the title you mentioned and what are the description you mentioned and what are the keyword you will be mentioned. So these all compulsory will be important. So keyword is not there. We have to process on the keyword option. That is called meta keywords. So here, what are the here in this? I'm visible by keyword option, only visible by the description and title. So this is the mainly we can using for here. Next one will be H1 tag. So same, what are the title you mentioned? That is H1 tag. H1 tag nothing but anytime you can search in Google, the priority will be focusing purpose. See this. Upana heroine, Tollywood Kirti, birthday visual, anything you will be, people will be search. They will be shown on Google search results, or we can search for the YouTube search results. Anything dependent by the keywords. That is option will be given this particular H1 tag. Next will be alt. I'm already say alt will be same we can using for your option. So where is the alt tag? Here. Then out of alt tag is there. Here is the alt tag option. Same visible. Next will be canonical form. Particular URL will be using for canonical URL. This is must and should important each and every website. Canonical URL option. So this is the method will be used for here. Proper writing title, description, and keyword, and we can using for H1 tag, alt tag, and header tag. That all will be SEO part. But here SEO majorly, what are the title mentioned? The visible reading purpose. SEO title description will be search engine purpose. That all will be using for search engine. Any people will be search. That all will be depend on the SEO title and description. So anyone you have to promote any content on social network, that is the call. If I'm sharing for Facebook anywhere, your proper title description visible by the users also. So that is called, we have to writing for proper title description is more important. So we may not visible once I click for Facebook option. So this image, this title, and the visible by the description. These are all nothing but very important search engine optimization for social media purpose and Google search result purpose. After this procedure, we have to go to the search console option and index the procedure. I'll show you here. Go to search console option where you exact your website. Select here, copy, and start your index procedure. This will be compulsory need index procedure option. Previous I'm showing for outwriting SEO title description keyword. Now I'm showing for index procedure. Why? Because any URL once you submitted into the Google, they can't index. You have to index by your search engine. When your index will be done, when people searching this kind of title, it will show on the Google. There is a must and should important for the URL structure option. That is called here. If anybody can sharing this URL, simply see, easily can understand. Tollywood Cine News post info 526 article What is the mention? Kirteshri birthday party visuals. So this URL structure will understanding from Google itself. So that is the here. So copy, paste. First of all, URL not in Google. First click for requesting index. So if you are not accessing your company, this Google Search Console, you can give the request to the company, take the Search Console option, and the index is most important. Here, sitemap is updated, not done. So, but your inspection is compulsory. You can do for your particular each and every URL for the particular new URLs. That is the most affected by the to index search engine when people search that keyword to get the rank based on the SEO of page submission. So on page only for writing skill. SEO off page but to know about more skill about the how to promote. So this is skill only will be search engine optimization for on page how to writing the skills. What are the parameters you have to check? Which parameter is not available on website? We are intimate to the developer to update on the website. This procedure we can follow on the search engine and promote your website, proper URL structure, proper title, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, canonical form. This compulsory important will be here. So after indexing, you can start to the SEO off page optimization. So any SEO in your particular website, you have doubts, you can ask me my channel. I definitely will be support you. Any particular website. Here guys, I'm saying about that. If I'm anything commonly missing, you have to contact with me through my WhatsApp chat option will be there. Go to my website. I'm always connect with you in the chat option. You can connect with me for any query purpose. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. So it is done. Click for text live URL. This is a process will be finished. Once URL will be start on page is the end page section. And how we can Google search will be conflict. There will be video is there. You can check the video on the playlist or your videos are available. Check the latest video and the whole procedure also. Any procedure will be little bit changing every pattern. Please, a lot of people about that this function is not working and this is not working for this priority. So every month the option will be changes from the digital marketing patterns. So please follow the conditions and promote your content. The option is available. You can use it. So today I'm explaining the option will be removed from the Google or changing from Google or something social media. It will be not reflect on the video part. Please follow the new videos and engage the audience on your particular business. So thank you. Thank you very much. Just they will finish within 1 to 2 minutes of time. So patience is required when using Google Search Console option and keep it in mind. It is a very, very important. They already mentioned it might take 1 minute to 2 minutes of time. So this is the very, very important key point on the search engine point of. So finally, URL is available on Google option. So this is we can use on the particular website. So any further doubt, please ask me to Dishtaka channel. I definitely will be support you.